Hello everyone. Today, on my first video on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you what I consider the sketchy saw. This is an old chainsaw, two-stroke to be exact. It's got the clippy thingies, the spinny thingies, the knobby thingies, that's got the filter thingy, the empty thingy, the buttony thingy, and the switchy thingy. And now the difference between this and your normal average chainsaws are they run in an engine, but the chain doesn't move. So as I turn the flywheel, the chain moves. Oh yeah, don't mind that. Supposed to put your finger in. Anyways, turn that over, and then there's your clutch. Drill a hole, put a screw in, then it goes into the clutch, and one of the clutch is, and when it turns the entire chain. Don't worry, it's supposed to do that. Oh, yeah, it does that too. Who cares? Anyways, so this thing does not work. Does not need to work, does not want to work. But we take your high-powered drill here, stick her on around the clippy thingers, cut into a box. Yeet. Fun times. So yeah, that's what I consider the sketchy saw. Here's your average pull starter. Got that thing, the clippy doos clip on there, and that's the guard, we don't need that. Last gas that was in here was like this colored green. That's green. It's not supposed to be green. And it was green in there. Yep. So, yeah, the carburetor is right here. It's a little mini carburetor. Don't need that. That's your device that creates the spark. Don't need that. All you need is a high-powered drill with a socket, hook it up to your chainsaw, and there you go. So yeah, you can cut boxes, other things. Yeah. So, yeah, well, hope you liked that video. First ever video. So, be nice if you could subscribe, because why not? See you next time.